Bitcoin shocked the entire crypto market today with a strong move that caught traders completely off guard. You just opened this video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video, because every update here can help you stay one step ahead in crypto. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I will reply to each one. This video is not financial advice. It is only for educational purpose. If you invest or trade, always do your own research, and remember, you are fully responsible for your own decisions. Market overview. Today, Bitcoin dropped sharply to trade near the $104,000 level as selling pressure increased across major exchanges. Heavy liquidation waves and fear in traditional markets pushed many traders to close positions early, which added more pressure on the price. Reasons behind the fall. The drop came after new reports of rising tension in global markets and growing concern about U.S. regional bank loan losses. Many investors moved towards safer assets, while crypto funds temporarily reduced exposure to protect capital. Institutional flows. Although spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen strong inflows this month, a few funds recorded short-term withdrawals during the correction phase. Analysts believe this is part of portfolio balancing and not a sign of long-term weakness. Technical analysis. On the chart, Bitcoin broke below its key support area that traders were watching closely. If it fails to hold above $100,000, the next support could test lower zones. But if buyers step back in, a quick recovery may follow. Keep an eye on Bitcoin ETF inflows, global equity movement, and any news related to U.S. interest rates or trade policies. These factors can trigger big volatility in the coming days. Traders are now watching whether Bitcoin can build strength again before the next halving hype returns. Stay alert, plan your trades carefully, and manage risk with patience. Subscribe for more clear daily updates, and thank you for watching.